Good morning children, now it's time for your maths class and today we will be doing word problem sums. Look at the first sums. Mr. Roy has 845 toy cars, out of which he gave away 345 toy cars to Hemant. How many toy cars are left with him? So first understand the sums, and as repeatedly I am telling you, you have to write down the steps. Without steps, no problem sums will be considered as right. So the first one, Mr. Roy has 845 toy cars, and out of this he had 845, and out of this he gave so much to Hemant. So how many toy cars are left with him? What will be the first step that we will write down? Total number of toy cars. First write down the units: ones, tens, hundreds. Total number of toy cars Mr. Roy has is 845. Next sentence, number of cars Mr. Roy gave to Hemant. So out of what he had, he gave some to Hemant. So what is that number? This is 345. So far you have to subtract these two numbers because he had the total. From that total he had given to someone. So that means he, of course, that amount, that thing he will be having less after giving. So you have to subtract. Therefore, number of toy cars left with him is you have to subtract. Now go to the ones one. 5 minus 5 will be 0. 4 minus 10's place. 4 minus 4 will be 0. Now 8 minus 3, 8. Minus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. Write down 5 at the hundreds column. So number of toy cars left with him is 500. So I write down the answer. 500 toy cars are left with Mr. Roy. So look at the next one. A basket contains 2,763 mangoes, of which 119 mangoes are rotten. So in a basket there are 2,763 mangoes. Okay, and of which 119 mangoes are rotten. How many mangoes are in good condition? So in a basket, so much of mangoes are there, and out of that, some mangoes are rotten. So the question is being asked: how many mangoes are in the good condition? The first step, what will you write down? Number of mangoes in a basket contains, first write down in ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. As there are 4 digits numbers, so 1000. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So number of mangoes the basket contains is 2,763. Next, number of rotten mangoes. How much mangoes are rotten? 119. So you have to subtract it. So 2,763 minus 119 is how much? Go to the ones place, as 9 is greater, so you have to carry 13, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 4. So write 4 under the ones column. Now 5 minus 1 will be 4. Seven minus 1 is 7 minus 6. You go to the 1000, 2. Write down 2. The number of mangoes in good condition is how much? 2,644. So write down the answer. 2,644 mangoes are in good condition. Now look at the next sums. Leena has 849 dresses and Shruti has 441 dresses. Who has more dresses and how many more? So Leena has so much dresses, Shruti has so much dresses. This question is being asked: who has more dresses and by how much. So first step we will write down number of dresses Lina has is how much. First add the units, ones, tens, hundreds. So number of dresses Lina has is 849. Next step, number of dresses Shruti has is 441. Now you have to subtract. Let's subtract, go to the ones column. 9 minus 1 will be 8. Tens, go to the tens column. 4 minus 4 will be 0. Hundreds column, 8 minus 4 will be 4. The number of dresses is 408. So write down the answer. Lina has 408 dresses more than Shruti. Look at the next one. Neha had saved rupees 456 and received rupees 214 from her father. So some money she had saved and some money she had got from her father. If she bought a dress for rupees 375, how much money has she left with her? So first understand the sums. Neha had saved so much of rupees and she got some rupees from her father. And after that, what did she do? She had bought a dress for herself, that is for rupees 375. Now the question is being asked, how much money has she left with her? So first step, what will we do? Total amount of money Neha has is how much? We have to add these two numbers, the amount she had saved and the amount his father gave. The amount she saved and the amount given by her father. So you have to add this two numbers, write down ones, tens, hundred. Now write down 456 plus 240. So add 6 plus, go to the ones place, 6 plus 4 will be 6, 7, 8, 19. Write 0, carry 1 to the tens place, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Write down 7 under the tens column. Now go to the hundreds place, 400 plus 200 will be 600. Now, so the how much total amount of money Neha has is how much? 670. Now, cost of the dress was how much? 375. Next, money left with Neha will be how much now? Rupees 670 minus rupees 375. The money left with Neha, you have to subtract it. 670 minus 375. So go to the ones column, carry 1, 6, 10 minus 5 will be 5. 6 as 6 won't go by 7, so you have to carry, write 1, make it 16, then write down at the 5. So 16 minus 7 will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 9. Write down 9 under the tens column. Now 5 minus 3 will be 2. So Neha has rupees 295. Again I am repeating this sum. See, Neha has saved so much of rupees and received so much from her father. If she bought a dress for so much, how much money has she left with her? So first add the amount that she had saved and she had got from her father. Then the answer, the sum that you get by adding these two numbers, that is the money left, that was the money left with Neha. Now, and the cost of dress was 375. Now, so money left with Neha now is 670 minus 375. and the answer is 295. So Neha has rupees 295. Look at the next one. Sarita has 15 flower pots with 5 flowers in each pot. Then how much, how many flowers, how many flowers are there in all? Again I'm repeating, Sarita has 15 flower pots with 5 flowers in each. So in each pot there are 5 flowers. And how many pots are there? There are 15 flower pots. The question is then how many flowers are there in all? First step, what will you write down? Write down number of flower pots. Pots is equal to 15. So how many pots are there? There are 15 pots. The next step, number of flowers in each pot is equal to 5. Number of flower pots 15, number of flower pots, number of flowers in each pot is 5. Therefore total number of flowers in all is equal to 15 into 5. You have to multiply it. Write down tens, ones, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. 15 into 5. So 5 fives are 25. Write 5 1 in the ones column and 2 over the 10. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7. So if you multiply 15 into 5, the answer will be 75. So number of flower pots 15, number of flowers in each pot is 5. Therefore total number of flower, therefore total number of flower in all is 15 into 5. So if you multiply 15 into 5, the answer will be 75. So now write down the answer. There are 75 flowers in all. So I have done the revision work of subtraction, one multiplication, that's all. I hope you all are understanding this. And so go through all the sums again and again because your exams are near. That will help you a lot if you practice. Thank you.